Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is first question of its exercise 7.4. So the question says that write shaded portion as fractions, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign greater than, less than, equal to और greater than between the fractions. So part में हमें फिगर गिवन है, यहाँ हम टोटल पार्ट काउंट करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total parts are 8 and shaded parts are 3. So fraction is 3 by 8. Same total 8 parts and shaded parts are 6. So fraction is 6 by 8. Total parts are 8 and 4 are shaded. So fraction is 4 by 8. One part is shaded. So fraction is 1 by 8. And total 3 and 3. 9 parts are total. And 8 parts are shaded. So fraction is 8 by 9. Here 4 parts are shaded. So fraction is 4 by 9. Here 3 parts are shaded. So fraction is 3 by 9. Here 6 parts are shaded, so fraction is 6 by 9. Then arrange them in ascending and descending order. So A part हो जाएगा हमारा ascending, then descending. So ascending means हमें बढ़ते हुए सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है, तो पहले छोटा देन बड़ा बड़ा नंबर हम लिखेंगे. पहले 1 by 8, then is less than 3 by 8, is less than 4 by 8, is less than 6 by 8. Then descending order में means घटते हुए क्रम में means पहले बड़ा नंबर then छोटा. So first आएगा 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Part B. सेम यहाँ पे भी इन्हें हम ascending and descending order में अरेंज करेंगे. So सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर वो हमारे पास 8 by 9 is less than 6 by 9 is less than 4 by 9 is less than 3 by 9. सेम descending order में अरेंज कर देंगे इसे. 3 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9 is greater than 6 by 9 is greater than 8 by 9. Next, part C, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. So firstly हम number line बना लेंगे 0, 1 and 2. So divide by 6 means सब 6 सब parts में divide करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So हमें इस पे रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. हो जाएगा 1, 2. So यहाँ हो जाएगा हमारा point 2 by 6. Then 4 by 6, 3, 4. हो जाएगा 4 by 6 and 5, 6. This point will be 6 by 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this point will be 8 by 6. हमें कंपेयर करना है 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. So यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास 5 बड़ा है 2 से, so 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. यहाँ पर जाएगा greater than. Then 3 by 6 and 0. So positive integer is always greater than 0. So directly साइन आ जाएगा 3 by 6 is greater than 0. 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. So denominator same है 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Denominator same है, so numerator हमारे पास 6 बड़ा है, तो 6 by 6 is greater than 1 by 6. Here 5 by 6 and 5 by 6. So दोनों नंबर हमारे पास सेम है. So सेम नंबर है तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा हमारे पास इक्वल का, दोनों नंबर इक्वल है. So that's our final answer. Thank you.